Hello guys, welcome back. Let's create this stop motion video in Premiere Pro that consists of these images shown in several milliseconds, and then when we keep on playing the video with these images in it, there will be this stop motion kind of look. So let's create one. All we have to do is to head over to the folder where the images are stored in. Let's say this is a sequence of moving text. See, we're going to be animating the images. So select the first picture, click here, and then go down, select the last picture, but first hold the shift key on your keyboard first, and then select the last picture. Drag it into the project in Premiere Pro. Afterwards, right click on one of them, click on speed or duration, and then set the duration to 4 milliseconds. Click on OK, and then drag it into the sequence. You're done. That's how you can create this stop motion video in Premiere Pro that consists of these images shown in several milliseconds, creating this motion like in stop motion kind of look for clay animation. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.